Hey, what up Adventure Gaming fans? So today I'm going to be showing you all my little computer setup. It's not meant for gaming, but eventually when I get a gaming computer, I'm definitely going to be showing a video about it too. But let's get straight to the video. As you can see, this is my room. I got the little air conditioning. I got me a TV tray so I can eat food. I have to clean it up though. Of course, here's my dresser, here's the stuff, here's my Bible. Got that pound saw in here because I've been mopping, but of course I don't know why I'm touring my room, but right in this section is where the magical happens. Alright, looking all fancy. As you can see, this is my Dell computer, and of course you can look at it. Right now I have my subscriber count. And right now I'm in the studio on YouTube. I got my good old mic. This is something that someone bought for me right when I graduated high school. They said that, you know, they're gonna buy something from me. What I wanted. And I kinda asked them for a mic. And here it is. Of course, when I started making videos, I actually had this for quite a good few months before I started making videos. And then here we got my Google Assistant right here. Hey Google, how's the weather today?
Friday, it'll be sunny with a high of 69 and a low of 45.
Good. Alright, not too bad. And how I listen to music and how I play video games. Get the little headset. And I use this, I plug it into the computer. It gives me ability to listen through the headphones. For me to run this to this monitor, I am using a weird adapter. And when I actually move it, you can see it cuts off. That's why I don't touch it. But this is to convert it to HDMI to whatever type of cord this is. Over here is my my walkie-talkie station. Right now the two walkie-talkies are in the car. Got my Bluetooth speaker. I haven't really charged it up in a while. I'm finally putting it on charge. And I got more power supply over here. And right when I really want to jam out, I got my stereo, my two speakers. I got a trash can, and of course I am hiding my stash of sodas, Sam's Cola. Got my camera right there. This is a DSLR camera. I have not really made so much videos with that camera because I use my phone when I record. And of course I got my GoPro. I used about I guess once. I know it's in 2 of my videos. And right here is my secret glasses that can record. Of course I'm not going to open it up, probably in the next video. And then here's where the magic happens when I really want to bump up some subwoofers. Of course this is not connected, but this right here is connected. This little bad boy can actually make your house shake. Another thing that I have is a good old light for a studio. Got me a green screen over here. You know, I kind of thought of this idea. I was like, should I do it? Should I do not? Because at first, this green screen was pushed against the wall, covering up the window, and that's how I was doing the Shout Out Sundays. And then I need to get me a better chair. There's a hole in it. There's a hole in the chair. But yeah, got my green screen. It's all snazzy. Got a good little setup. You know, I kind of thought of this idea because I was like, you know what, I want to create an area meant for gaming, you know? And that's what came to mind. Yep. And then of course, this is really nothing. Eventually, when I get my gaming my gaming tower or gaming computer, I am definitely going to move a lot of this stuff, and it's gonna be next computer setup. But this subwoofer is really nothing. I don't even have that connected either. I have so many subwoofers. Don't judge me. I like bass. I don't like voice. But that seems about it. That's about it. And of course, make sure to hit the bell icon, because I can actually see who's hit the bell icon and who hasn't. Who hasn't hit the bell icon? Make sure to subscribe. We are almost to 2K. Let's get it.